Look at this cool thing that I found on Amazon. So these brakes for the Surron, they're wobbly and they're annoying, they're terrible. But not these. These are, I found them on Amazon, extremely affordable. I'm gonna put a link at the bottom of the video for those people that are interested in. And this fit the Surron, and I'm gonna give you not only better grip on the actual brake lever, they're a little bit longer, but also they're folding. So these are the folding ones. Really excited about putting this on. Should be a very, very easy swap, like a quick installation. And Surron has a very, very specific type of a brake, so you have to get these. That's why I said I'm going to put a link at the bottom of the video for those interested. Installation should be easy. Mine has a bolt over here. This is not original. This was, they fell off. The original ones fell off, so this is an aftermarket bolt. This comes out after you remove that bolt. In the box, you get a little Allen wrench that you could remove the levers with. There you go. So once this is out, you're going to save this piece because this is going to go into the new lever. So this is a new lever. This goes in and you screw it in. So you put the Allen wrench that comes with it through, so that way you could guide it. And this just screws in. Okay, so that part is done. Now you have to put this one in. A little bit of a grease wouldn't hurt. What's nice about this one is it comes with these already Allen wrenches, so you could just put it in without the actual shitty bolt that I had before. And they're adjustable, so you have two bolts over here on the side, and you could adjust it, so it's more or less from the lever. So here is on the left side, pretty good grip. I usually use one finger, so pretty good grip. The right side is shorter, so this one is actually shorter. This is perfect, and it still has the same flapping as before, so this is awesome. So yes, it's a little bit longer, so it's a little bit easier to pull. A little bit longer than the original, but that's good because it's easier to pull on the brake, so it's one finger now for sure. Even the right side is a little bit longer, just a little bit, a tad, but again, gives you better grip, and it flexes.